Hi everyone, this is Angela here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing on my Fidget Cube that I got today. I don't know, for some reason, if I upload this on the 29th, because it's the 29th today, the date will say 28th, which is weird. But anyway, sorry about that. So, the first we have a joystick. Second, we have this rolly thingy. Next, we have this switch. It's a black Fidget Cube. It's really easy. Wait, whoa, stop. Stop. Focus, please. They will focus. Because it's stubborn. There you go. This is the rolly ball thing. Sorry, I have a blocked nose. I have this 5 dot thing. 3 of these click. 2 of these also go down, but this is soft. This one is feely thingy. And yeah, I guess that's all of it, but for me, it's actually really fun to play with because you could fidget. I guess that's where I got its name. Oh, you could click on this stuff. You can click on the ball. This is one of the things to check if it's fake or not. It's because one of the things, like how you compare fake or real Rubik's Cubes, is because I'll show you. So if it was a fake one, it would be hard to kind of like push, but this one is really soft. You can just go like yeah, and this and this ball, like this is a bit more easier to control because on the fake one it's really hard to get. It just makes noises too, but this is just soft noises. And also the ball, you can click the ball. It's pretty cool. I didn't even discover that. So yeah, that's my Fidget Cube. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Peace out.